and welcome to my channel. My name's Lyndon. Thank you so much for coming. Herbie Hancock wrote a fabulous song called Cantaloupe Island. I absolutely love this song and I love playing it because it's so much fun. The melody is really catchy. It's got a great hook and it's just a joy to play. And the way that the tune is structured offers us a couple of different ways that we can, well, there's an infinite amount of ways I suppose, but there's different ways that you can approach improvising over this tune. And because I enjoy playing it so much, and so do people that I teach privately, I've made two really, I think I'm really proud of them. I think they're excellent tutorials, one for alto saxophone and one for tenor saxophone, where I teach you the melody. You get a PDF which has got the melody written out, and the PDF is also annotated, which means the letter names are written underneath the notes, just in case your reading skills are still developing. And so we study the melody, make sure that you feel really comfortable with that, and then we look at the chord structure and take a deep dive into how to improvise through it. And I've got kind of two broad approaches. One broad approach is a more straightforward way, which involves kind of blues scale type idea, and give you loads of strategies about how to use the blues scale to navigate a really good solo. That, by the way, if you use this in a professional setting, professionals would definitely use that method as well. But also what we do as well is that we make sure that we understand all of the chords for Cantaloupe Island, and I give you some strategies about how to maneuver your way through the chords as well. You also get included a backing track which you can download, and I think I mentioned that each video is about half an hour long, so it really is extremely thorough, extremely clear. And if you've watched any of my other videos, I like to really kind of boil things down into so that everybody can understand it. That's what I'm aiming for, and yet really make a very professional, very tidy sound using these different techniques. Of course, you could blend both ideas if you wanted to. So I'm inviting you to go to my website and have a look. I can't put this on YouTube without getting a copyright strike, because Cantaloupe Island belongs to the composer. In this case, it's Herbie Hancock. And if I do that on YouTube, I'll get a copyright strike for 100% for sure. And that may harm the health of the channel, and I don't want that. And so if I put it on my website, I can pay a yearly fee of several £100s to the UK's PRS, which is the Performing Rights Society. And that's why I've put it on my website. So these two tutorials, they're £5.99, which is not really a lot of money. I think if I bought myself and my wife a cup of coffee at a coffee shop, it would definitely cost me pretty much twice as much as that these days, or thereabouts. So they're not expensive, I don't think, and I'm going to be adding to the tune tutorial series, which is what this is. I'm going to add loads of tunes, so I would love you to go and have a look and consider downloading one of these tutorials. I'd love it if you give me some suggestions about tunes that you'd like me to do for you. I've got loads of ideas myself, and I've got loads in my mind that I want to do, but your input is really super valuable. And just to let you know, I have spent yesterday I got up at 6 o'clock in the morning. I started filming at about 7:15 or 7:30, doing one for YouTube, which is a triads exercise. So that's what's coming next. It's a really good video, but I filmed it all. Then I spent the day teaching, as I have done today, and then I need to edit it, and that's going to take me hours and hours of editing. So I'm hoping to get it out this week, but I've got a really busy day teaching tomorrow, so we'll see how it goes, but bear with me. So lots of stuff coming up on my YouTube channel. Please go and have a look at my website, saxmadesimple.com, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.